bago din pala. Wala kang aking natira. Sarili ko munang aking papakinggan. Ayoko munang bumalik sa dating natin. Ayoko nang magmahal. Hi, good evening. Because I'm your lady and you are my man. Wherever you reach for me. After all that I can, somewhere around me. Sometimes I am afraid and I am little. Hi, Are Char. Hello, beautifully. Hello, beautifully. Good evening to you and good morning from Florida, USA. Good morning from Florida, USA. Good morning. Sarili ko muna ang aking papakinggan. Ayokong bumalik. Ayokong bumalik. Sawa na akong isip mo. GTV, thank you, Ma'am Grace. Thank you po. Good Eve. Thank you, Ma'am. Happy birthday. Thank you po. Thank you, Mom. The birthday girl. Ayoko munang bumalik sa dating natin. Ayoko munang thank you po. Birthday today. Resting. Kalmado. Kalmado ang birthday. Rest. Bom dia, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Bablax Ford. Bablax. 9 people. Linda, Bicol, no, Forest. Geraldo Diaz. Hi, Geraldo. I really love your smile. My smile is because not complete the bit. I lost my thought here, that's why. I think you are very beautiful. Oh, that's like just what you think. Cause I'm your lady and you are my man. Hi, Sir Pat. Good evening. Good evening po. Good morning, Sir Pat. Good morning there. No, not married. Not yet. I am done. Hello. Good morning from Columbus, Indiana, USA. Thank you, Sir Pat. Yazar. Hi, Yazar. Hello, Cheryl, my friend. Hi, Sir Pat. Hola, hermoso, saludos. Qué bonito cantas, cariño. Welcome. I came from to Italy, please. Milano. Thank you, Sir Antonio. Anton Ilano Mari. Hi, Rolo. Sergio. Hi, Sergio Vera. Sergio Vera. I would like to come to England and marry me. Bob Blackford. Are you from England? Hola, saludos, Disty. Kuya Ian. Forget it, Bob. Hi, Kuya Ian. Forget it, Bob. Hi, Kuya. Good evening. GTV. Why you block me on your WhatsApp? It's you? I don't know. because because I don't know people, stranger people. Sorry. Sorry po. I don't know you po. That's why. Oh my God. Huh? Srampan. Hi, Dominic Sparta. Hello, brother Ian. Good evening there in Philippines. Sure, you. Hi, and Chitex. Mm, 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 mm. Hi, James Gray. Respect the channel Antonel. Thank you, Sir Pat. Where's the lechon? The lechon is done yesterday. The lechon is yesterday. Early celebrate yesterday. Ah, ah. Hello, another from Netherlands. Thank you. Narinig ko muna ang aking kapakinggan. Thank you, 8 people in the house. Ah, 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 ah. Right. My God. Tag Alex. Niwago ka naman. Nagurulog naman yun. Hi, Tiny Grant. Thank you for watching po. Say happy birthday to me. Shrunk, okay. Hi, Rani Kumari. Sarili ko muna ang aking papakinggan. Ayoko munang bumalik. Hi, Grant! Feels on you lady, and you're my night. Wherever you reach for me, after all that I can. Where's the bully man? Oh my god, where is the bully? Where's the bully man? Maybe he's sleeping na. Hi, Marco Lina Ortega. Hi, Sir David. Thank you. Where's Ian at? Hi, Pat from Sir David. Finally back on. That's back. Finally back on. Hello, David. Good to see you, brother from Sir Pat. If I saw you Thank you, Wi-Fi working now. Ah, that's good po, Sir David. Sheryl, Netherlands, and Zitex from Netherlands. Keep glowing, friend. Thank you. Keep glowing. Keep glowing. If I saw you in What about love? See you next live, Cheryl. Thank you, Sir Pat. Thank you for joining. See you next live po. God bless. Have a nice day. Going back to rest. Yes po. Going back to rest. Stay blessed. Thank you po. Talk about love. Rest, but you've been resting all day. Hi, Enrico Codilli Shaw. Shaw si on song. Shaw si on song. show. Hi from Tennessee. Hi from Tennessee. 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 Talk about love. God. If I saw you, good evening. Hi, good evening. Take it back. Good evening. And now, at ngayon, kailan ba ang tamang panahon? Kailangan ba titiis na lang ba sa tingin at hindi ngayon? Kailan ba? Surely remember what Fred said. Diyos ko! Jackson married. Good day from Australia. How you doing, beautiful? Nice to meet you. I'm sorry, Ian. Ay, Kuya Ian. Talk about love. Doon dumating ang bagyo dito sa Siargao. Oo. Siargao? May bagyo sa Siargao. You have a lovely voice. Thank you, Adrian Clerks. Douglas Kisbargs. Talk about love. You have a very beautiful eyes. Pinagpala. Talk about love. you speak English. Yes, but just a little. I speak. Oh my God, Pam! Anong nangyari sa imo? What are you doing here na? Ano, Pam? Ano po? Nagkaon ka na? Kaon ka na. Kaon na. Wala pa. Di ka pa wala pa. Paglang kaon na niyo. Wala pa sa lupa. Thank you. You're gorgeous. Thank you, Sir Douglas. I like you, beautiful. Think about it. Good evening, Sir Fred. The baby girl. Oh my God. No. Dugsak na. Hey, sister. Oh my God. Wishing you were my girlfriend. Andrian Price. Sige ko, ano? Ano sa damo? Ay. Stop the live and restart. You're going to get banned. A friend of mine lost her channel that way. Why? What happened? Oh. Other quotes. She ain't going to get banned. Huh? Sir Don? Hi, Sir Don. She is in a stream with the kid. Ah, okay. Yes, okay. Jackson married. Good evening, Sir Don. Good morning, Sir Don. Take it back. Ano ito, ano? Hello po, how are you doing? I'm doing live. Talk to you. Talk to you guys, sir. Good morning. Good morning, Sir Don. What should I end? Stronger by breaking my heart. You ended my life and when a better would start. You taught me everything from falling in love to letting go. Hello to you. How are you? Hi, Sir Paul. She is banned. She is banned. Oh, why? Me? Bob Laxford. Zima, see my friend. See your friend. You turn my light, but I see the light. And this may be a big surprise to you. You made me stronger by breaking my heart. You ended my life and made a better one start. You taught me everything from falling in love to letting go of a lie. Yes, you made me stronger, baby, by saying goodbye. Did you save me a piece of cake? Yes, Sir Don. Have a piece of cake here. Sir Don, Sir Fred, Sir Mike, Sir Ian. My God. Sir John. Bablax. I think you are beautiful. Oh, thank you. I am waiting for the lechon. The lechon is gone. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Marry me. Why? Why? Oh, why? Jonathan. They eat the pig like pigs. Oh my god. Milo is the best than Ovaltine. The lechon is yummy. Yes, the lechon is yummy. I think you are lovely. Just what you think, Bob likes. Thank you, Bob. How many children do you have? I have one kid. He is grade 4. Grade 4 students. Student. Student. Man is stronger than gold. Man is stronger than gold. Ha. There's a basketball court outside. Yeah. Hey Fred, I was here first. Bob belongs to me. Mustahas, hi Chuchong. Tia, ano ulam? Hey Tia, okay yan. Hey, Tia. Iyo, ano ulam? Man is stronger by breaking my heart. Hello Tia from Sir Don. From Sir Fred. From Kuya Ian. Where's the hubby? Where's the hubby? Oh my god, the hubby is... Where's the hubby? Sleeping the hubby. Fred, you can have Rick. Huh? Wala ulam, bagoong and I like that. I like bagoong. I like tuyo. Inihaw na tuyo. Dilis ba? Paborit. I don't want. Huh? Tuyo pa more, yes. I like tuyo. I like tuyo. Hey Devin, did you wear lipstick to church? Huh? Lipstick? Not to church? I wear, yes, a little bit of lipstick. Not too much. Why? I think it's removed the lipstick because We're going too much too early. Oh my God. The mass is 5:30 and my mom going at 4 a.m. We're- 4 a.m. we're at the church. Oh my God. 1.5 hour. We're waiting for the mass. My mom is still very early. My God. That's why I feel sleepy. Sleepy. David, how about lip gloss? I put some here. No, busted. Busted. Chiu Chong, sleepy kasi sermon is very boring. Sometimes sermon is interested, but today is like serious the sermon because today is a Candelaria. Candelaria today. Washington Selva. Hi, Washington Selva. Haha. The sermon is boring. What did the paddy sermon? Do you remember? No, no, about the, oh, I don't, because I sleepy. My God. I focus my, I focus my prayer. Did you drink with your cake? Yes. Yes pa, Sir Fred. Hi, Ezra. Hello. Tuition, you focus to my kasi host. My God. Ah. Maybe I focus the leaking. I focus about the leaking. Let me guess. San Mig Apple. Yes, San Mig Apple. I'm fine, Ezra. Thank you, Ezra. You listen. What about the oblique? Did you say focus on the wedding? And next week you listen to sermon. I will ask you why you learn. Okay. That's my assignment. Tuition. Liki liki. Liki liki. Beautiful smile. Thank you, Ezra. What about this? Liki liki. Opo, that's your assignment. Okay. Okay po, Chu Chong. Tio Chong. Yeah, you're doing short with the picture you showed me. Suwar DC War. Sing me a song, please. No, I'm not a singer. Or should I show here? Huh? What is that? No, Fred, you do that. Sup, Kuya Fred? Sup, Kuya Ian? From Chu Chong. Tiu Chong. Okay, I will try to figure out a short with it. Okay. Think about it. Lollip. Lollipop! My goodness. Good morning. Hi, Sensible. Good evening here. Maybe morning there. Good morning to you, Sensible. Where are you from? Kuya Ian, you showed no mercy to Kuya Pat, pointing out he missed a good 11 years. Huh? Hi from US. Hi, Sensible Man from US. Welcome to my channel. I'm from Philippines. Filipina. Good evening, my friend. Hi, William Lafarty. Good evening. Hello, good evening, Cheryl from Donny. Hi, Sir Don. Sensible man. To you, that is way late. Gil, Gil, Gilherma Salva. Hi, you look amazing. Thank you, sensible man. First boom boom at 29. First boom boom at 29. Talk about 29. What the heck? Very beautiful. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Tony. Talk about love. Talk about love. Kuya Ian, have mercy. Have mercy. Suyan Boy on number 2. Bully man. The bully man. Where's the hobby? My God! Aray! Teka. Kuya Ian, some of us are late bloomers. Late bloomers. Late bloomers. Poor Pat, no wonder he has a monster look. Oh my God, I'm 14 years old today. 14. Take a bath. Oh my god, wait till you get our age. They say, oh my god. Oh my god. You get better with age. Yep, yep. Yes, pa. I appreciate my age. What was Pat doing up to the age of 29? Surprise. Take it back. I take my hats off to Kuya Pat, giving honest answer to your questions. He could fudge the numbers and see 15, but he didn't. I see 14. Girl, yeah, yeah, yeah. Um, and it's still going. Oh, yum. Yawn. Yawn. Yawning. Sorry. Take a bath. You keep yawning. My God. And I thought I was late with 18, lol, but 29. 29. Yeah, Ian. Sila. Okay, Ian. Kuya Pat was doing what he was all doing. Oh my God, the topic is surpassed. Where's Pat been up till 29? Rafa Craft. Rafa Craft. Tiwi? Tiwi? Here in the USA is Groundhog Day today. Ah, well, today here in Philippines, Candelaria today. Oh my God. Keep yawning. Did you see the ground dog? Ground hag? Ground hag? Ground aray? Cheryl, if groundhog see his shadow winter going to last longer. Ah, okay. Now I know. What was a great phone? Yeah. I need to ano because ano my puwet is ano? My puwet nag-iinit. Where's the hubby? Oh, Cheryl's tired. I'm fine. I'm not. Is there no more Johnny? If the groundhog sees its shadows today, 6 more weeks of bad weather. Bad weather? God. Number 11, let's dance. Let's dance. Let's dance. Let's dance. Let's dance. Yeah, Pilita didn't kuya yan. 17 more for me, but I got on first and second base earlier, like 15. And how she become 11? Number 11. Your trousers. Ah, the true, yes. Number 11. It's alright. Since when, Ian? Are you guys numbering our host? My ano is number 11. 11. 7. 6, 7. So, hi sis, my guys, my sister here, Salve Tumakay, she's my sister. She's my sister. So, thank you sis. Thank you for joining here. Should be 69 like the candle. Die. Behave, my sister here. Hello, Salvi. Yes, she's my sister. She's in Taiwan. It's alright. Go. Shout, shoot, I'm out of vodka. Hi, sis. Hi, sis. Thank you. Oh, we need to behave for your sister, yes. Hi, bro, friend. Hi, brother, friend. My sister here. I'm good. Yeah. Thank you so much. 17 people here. Thanks po. Di ko alam kung tama ba ito. Di mo masabing magkakatinglawi, bababaero tawag ka. Connected Salve. So guys, I am off back home. Catch all you guys tomorrow. Bye. Thank you, Sir Ian. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good night. Good evening. Thank you for joining, Sir Ian. Kuya Ian. Thank you po. Bye, sister. Hi, Salve from Sudani. Hi, Finks. Hello, Finks. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, Finks. Thank you for joining, Finks. Okay, later, Kuya Ian. Thank you sa nag-likes. Bigyan million. So, right. Hello, brother Tony. Ayuba Godwin. Ayuba. Jondo, okay, see you later. Thank you, sis, for joining. See you later. Bye-bye. Bye, Sabi from Surfat. Hi, Chuchong. Don't connect to me, guys. I'm happy with 37 subscribers. You Chong. Sapat na sa akin ang nalalaman ko sa ala. Ano yan? Paano tayo? Gile ito. Nangalay. Nangalay na sa puwet. Oy, the baby is crying, yes. Because the baby don't want to go inside the home. That's why crying. Cry. Wow, you are very beautiful, friend. You have a unique beauty. Thank you, Juan. One lemons. Hi, Jonder. Thank you for the likes. Yeah, thank you. Are you dancing or playing around? Dancing. I'm going to cry. I don't want to go inside either. Oh my god. I need to follow the puwet. If you don't go inside, you need to follow the puwet. Jonder Ferreira Duarte. Hi. Thank you po. Char. Thank you so much. I don't know how to like this. The only kilay. Someday someone's gonna love me. Oh my god. Oh my gulay. Idaming gumugulo sa aking isip. Sapat na sa aking anak. Oh my god. I've already falling in love. Who? Who? You already fall in love with who? Someday. It's alright. Goodbye, Jander. Wow, everyone falls in love with you. Goodbye. Hi from Slovenia. Hi, Borot Farkas. Borot Farkas. Oh, Bablex for Bablex. Bablex. Aray ko. You sing very nice. Weh. From Turkey. Hello, Dorson Sabasi. It's a shame I live in Brazil. Why shame? Well, I think Brazil is good country. Thank you for joining, Jandra Pereira from Brazil. Thank you from Brazil. Sapat na sa akin ang nalaman ko. Sa akin. Toot, toot. from Argentina. You have beautiful eyes. Thank you, One Lemons from Argentina. If I live closer, I will do everything to date you, friend. I'm not available, gender. For thank you for. Wow, you're beautiful, sis. Thank you, Anja ja ja. Just ja 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 ja. Sapat na sa'kin ang nalalaman ko. She already getting married. I'm getting married soon. Soon, hopefully. Why hopefully? Mah? In April on my mountain. You have, yes. One lemons. Hi, one lemons. Bye, friend. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, gender. Hi, Robert Wingate. Hi, Sir Robert. But I'm keeping an eye on you. Hmm. Keeping an eye on you. I'm good. That's good. We all have we all have eyes on here. You must have a boyfriend. I already have. Must have been love, but it's over now. It must have been good, but it lost its sound. Lay was found on my pillow. He's a crazy boyfriend too. I'm crazy for you. Finally, my heart keeping and falling in love. I found how you. Aray ko. Gender. Hi, gender. Nalaman ko sapat na sa'kin. Thank you. You smelling yourself. It smells so good. My God. Baka liman ako gabman eh.
Bakal berang sudah kak.
Kamani.
Bakal mo na ako namin
Hmm?
sa ako. Bakal mo na ako sa ako,
Bakal ako mani.
Bakal mo na ako sa ako,
Mike gonna love the smell. I hope. You have that tenderness in your eyes, drives anyone who looks at you crazy. Hi, Sir John. Thank you for joining, Sir John. How are you, Sir John? Let right. I'm good. Have you had a good day? Yes, pa. Have a good day, pa. Good day. Happy day. Happy day. I'm happy for you po. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Sir John. Thank you po. Kung nangarinig kay Ram, kumawala sa aking isip, sapat na sa akin ang nalalaman ko.
Maharang mga ita.
Pwede man.
Jai. Hi guys.
Jai. Good voice open. Thank you, Sir Don. Hi, Sir Don. She ignored that comment too. Huh? Too? Ignore my comment? Ignore the comment? What a comment? Tio. As Tio. What Sir Tio comment? Where's... No. Where's Sir Tio? The baby is crying. Tio. Good evening. How I'm doing fine. About gender wanting to smell you. Okay. Well, Chanta Chandimal. Hi. Angel Boneta, hello po. I wanna marry you and Mrs. Bibo. I smell good. I just look a shower. Yeah, after shower, we need to smell ourselves. Mm, smells so good. Thank you, Sir Fred. So, how does it feel to be 41 po? I feel young. Sir John, I'm feel young. I'm beautiful. I feel teenager. Yeah. Like 19 years old. Ganon. I know 10. She waiting for 42 now. Malinis po ba pa mo? Hindi. Gusto mo apakan ko yung mukha mo? 41, I thought she was 21. Thank you, Sir Don. Thank you, Sir Fred. Uncle Skin. Today is your birthday. Well, congratulations. Have a great time. Thank you, One Lemons. Yeah. The one wanted to know if your feet were clean. Yeah, that's why told him. I told him, I'm not clean. You want to put me, I know, you want me to put, I really, I don't know how to say it. That's why I ask in Tagalog, you want me to put my feet on your face because this is not clean. Hi, Cheryl. Happy birthday, beautiful. Thank you, Sir Darren. Hello, Darren from Sir Fred. How are you, friend? From Darren. Nakakatuwa ang paa sa mukha. Yeah, that's why I asked to that. That's why I asking to him that you want me to put my face on your face. That's why your cake is your cake look good. Did you save me some? Yes, sir, John. I saved you some. Hope when I'm oh my god. When you come here, Sir Don, I also save you one piece. $41 old. I'll be there in the morning to get it. Ah, really, Sir John? 25. I will eat cake with my coffee. Yeah, with coffee. Perfect for coffee. Beautiful 21. No, 41. Not 21. 41. I wish. Yes, Sir John. You need, sometimes you need to, go somewhere, enjoy life. 21 I'm hearing. No, 41. 41. Hi, Sir Bell. Twin Cities Transit. Hello po. I can only still hear to my God. Did you say for Juan? Joke lang. Yes pa, Sir John. Sir John. Sir John. It's okay for Sir John. While you are princess. Hmm? How was your day? Happy day po. Twin Cities Transit. Happy day. I'm stirring. Like, sub, and hit the bell and comment, guys. Thank you, Darren. My birthday on February 28th. Ay, really, Sir John? Oh my, advance. Yes, we're same month. Sir Fred also birthday this February. Mine's 25th. Sir Fred 25th. Really, yeah. February 2, 25, 28. Yes. The February is kind people. Kind, generous. This year I turned 50. I feel 30. Yeah. I'm 41 but I feel 19. My God. You're young soon. Send real wallet. Dawn. All Pisces. All Pisces. All Pisces. Me Aquarius. Yeah, Pisces na. Me Aquarius. My God. Mine was on the 30th January 30. Sayang. Hello. Hi, Sir Ben. I'm fine, Sir Ben. Thanks, Fred. I feel young. Yes. Still young. Sir Don. 21. Possible to T Dondo. 21. I'm a Gemini. Me Aquarius. See, Fred agreed with me this time, Cheryl. Okay, okay. No, Sandri. I eating nut. Ay, oh my god. I eat a nut. Double tap screen to like, comment, subscribe, support and like, share this channel. Thank you, Sir Ben. Super chat, super sticker, and membership are also available. Thank you, Sir Ben. Twin Cities Transit. It's okay. Sometimes I'm clumsy. Hay nako, now broken. Huh? Bakit broken? Oh my god. Hi ko alaman. Well, I need my sleep po. Oh my god. Have a good night, everyone. Thank you, Sir John. Good night. Sleep well. Oh, sir, you dropped them. It's okay. That's my, ano. Sometimes I'm clumsy, sir, ano. Twin Cities Transit. Hi, Don. From Sir Darren. User 5 seconds. Well. You're welcome there. Thank you, Sir Ben. Hi, Twain. Hello, Darren from Sir Don. You would not pick them up unless I ask. Greetings, good evening, Ruben. Someone wanted them, that's why you dropped. Yeah. Yeah, sometimes. Yes, that's ako. That's ano. I want to go to Manila and meet Tondo. He says it's really cold there. I don't know. Maybe. Well, you have a good night. I have to go to work. Thank you, Twin Cities Transit. Thank you for joining. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye po. Take care po. Take care always. Bye, Twin from Sir Don. Yes pa. I like country music. But I avoid music because many videos I got the copyright claim. So that's why. Hello, Sir Benhor. Hello, Benhor from Sir Don. Yeah, you don't want copyright. Yeah, yes. I got copyright, mini copyright on my videos. That's why I want play music because it's good for but not good for I get copyright every day. Yeah, because you playing music, Sir Fred. Playing music. Kuya Dre, hello Jolly. Kuya Dre, hi. No work? Still working? I don't care about okay. I'm very really sorry, Ate Cheryl. Bakit naman? Why you say sorry, Jerome? Albert Tur- Albert Torres. Why you say sorry? Sir Fred. Hi, is from Sir Fred? What happened? My stomach was hard. It's fine. What happened? You eat Maybe you eat poison? Food have a poison. You poison. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko sasabihin. Marian John Para. Driving. Driving already 3 or getting ready to. Yes. Kuya Dre. What are you doing? My stomach was painful. Okay. You take a medicine, Jerome. I'm about to start my day, Fred. America the Bomb. Hi, America the Bomb. Hi, Sir Edelson Custodio. Hello po. Will be safe out there. Yeah. Why? Yes, for you need to take a medicine for your stomach pain. Jollibee, how does it feel? 21. No, I'm not 41. I feel about 41, but I think I feel 40. I feel 21. Having at age of 41, I feel 21. Everyone says 21. Everyone says 21. Oh my god. Thank you guys. Nalalaman ko sapat na sa akin. Hi, Sebastian. Sebastian. My guys. What happened outside? Wait. Yeah, chat got quiet. My batchmate. A letter Fred and Jollibee, time for my day to start. Take care, Sir Kuya Dre. Take care for your for your at work. Is Jollibee the same as McDonald's? Yes po. Jollibee is same McDonald's. You have a fries, burger, spaghetti. Take care, Kuya. GC Travel Sandblag. Hi. Oh, pretty much yes, Ben. Yes, Paul. Jollibee same. McDonald's even sells chicken. Yes, fried chicken. Cock float. My God. The cock float. Oh my God, I forgot. Ano is the matter? Hard rain here now. Hard rain. Here, the weather is the weather here is warm weather. warm weather. Sapat na sa akin ang nalalaman ko. Zidane Bachar. It's alright. You better bring jacket when you come here. Why? I too cold, Sir Fred. Too cold. It's cold. Pag nalasakin ang nalalaman ka. Even I put jacket on here sometimes. Like ano, like Bagyo. Bagyo, cold weather there always. Remember top of mountain, windy and cold, yes. Still wake up, Sir Fred? Still wake up? Andres. When I put it up. You're going to love a short put up about you and Mike. Okay. Remember? Okay. Yes, boss or Fred. What did I do wrong? What did I do to make you change? See you tomorrow. Thank you, Sir Fred. Okay, Cheryl. We'll see you later. Rain is hard and can't hear nothing. Okay. Thank you. Bye, Sir Fred. See you next. See you tomorrow or the other day. Next other day. God bless. Good night. It's alright. Dancing in the moonlight. Thank you sa likes. You made me stronger by breaking my heart. You wanted more life, you had a better one start. You taught me everything from falling in love to letting go of that. You make me stronger, baby, I'm saying goodbye. She walked away, just quiet. over you finding someone. You turn my days into nights, but now I see the light in this bigger picture applies to you. But you've been the stronger the breaking my heart. Thank you sa nagla-likes. Salamat sa nag-likes. Sa nag-heart, heart. Thank you for sending hearts. Someone who's sending heart, thanks so much. Itatago ng wish. Sana bawat bukas ay lagi kong kasama ay suka dito sa puso. Let's try. Wish. Sana bawat bukas ay to stay with you and be like always. Sometimes I wonder nga ba mahal kita? Heaven knows. All this time I can live, I can love, I can reach the heavens above. I can hide when it's wrong. I can sing just in the sun. I can dance, I can live, I can love, I can reach the heavens above. I can right what is wrong. I can sing just in the sun. I can dance, I can fly into the rainbow in the sky. I can be your girlfriend. I can love you and tell you. Hi, George. What took you so long to make me see how lucky I am? 'Cause I am free, free to do the things that I wanted to. It took you so long to make me feel I can get love that I love so real. What took you so long to let me know? Hi, Golden Blade. That I can live, I can love, I can reach the heavens above, I can right what is wrong, I can sing just in a song, I can dance, I can fly, and touch the rainbow in the sky, I can be a good friend, I can love you until the end. You are my son. It took you so long to make me cry. The reasons why I can smile. Thank you for the likes. And this will remember me this way. The second moment since sagot na lang ng akin. Ikaw ba ang nilalaman? Oh my god. Oh my god. Cockroach. Only me and you. The journey come on and out of the rain. Someone say, someone always saying goodbye on the wings of love. She's gone, catch me, I'm falling for you forever. Heal the world, I turn to you, if we hold on together. Please be careful with my heart, jolly, jovially song through the rain. Mahal ka sa kandungan, beauty and the best. There you will be. Tayo lang dalawa. Thank you sa likes. Salamat sa nagla-likes. When you believe, saging also starting over colors of the will of the wind is feeling in them. If purpose you're going steady. How to give what? How to give ano? Oh my god. I need to my god. Sana sorry, boring ba? The will of the wind is feeling it blows you away. It's gonna be Hi, Bob Vlogs. Happy birthday to you. Thank you, Bob. Have a good night. Thank you, Sir David. Thank you. Hi, Brandon. Brandon Peel. Hi, Sir Brandon. Hello po. The well of storm is feeling in there. It would pass you going steady. It's coming on us. We must be friends the way of time. Happy birthday. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Panoorin nyo na lang ako. Bahala kayo. Oh, may God, Mina. Oh, siya. The will of the wind. Oh. 2 minutes. Thank you sa nag-likes. Thank you for the likes po. Data. Mm. Yep, yep. Goodbyes, you're going steady. Oh, ay. Ano? Oh, losing. Are. Talo. Hi. Thailand. I don't understand Thailand. Ano po? Paano ba yan? Ang hirap na mga ng patalastas na to. The will of the wind is blowing the beach. Mami. Hi, people. Hello. The will of the wind. So bright.
let's skip the formalities. You need money. I have it. That's why you're here.
I came here for my family.
I don't care. Here's the arrangement. We marry in name. I need a wife to maintain my family's trust, and a married man looks better to the public. You will be my wife on paper. You will attend events. You will smile for cameras. You'll play the part, but nothing more. You will not share my meals. You will not share my space. You certainly will not share my bed. You will stay in the room farthest away from mine. We will not be friends or lovers or anything other than strangers. I will not care for you. You will not interfere in my life. And I will never, ever love you. Hence, I suggest you do the same. Are we clear? Good.
I have one request.
Look, if you're hoping that I treat you like a real
When
wife...
it's done, I want a divorce.
Para sa mga kababayan ko na mahilig mag-scatter, makinig muna kayo sa akin. Hindi na kaya ng pasensya ko to, kaya gusto ko na sabihin para matigil na ang mga
Ano ba
panloloko
yung
ng
mga
mga kanin.
patalastas na to?
Delikado itong gagawin ko itong pagsasalita ko kasi baka bukas mawala na ako.
When this is all over, I want the freedom to remarry. For actual love.
Love. You serious?
I'm giving my family my first marriage, but my second will be for me. I'm not giving up on love.
Do you have any idea how laughable you sound right now?
I'll follow your rules if you agree to mine. There's no reason to object.
Fine. After this farce is over, you can run off and chase whatever fairy tale you want. If you're that desperate for affection.
Don't worry. His father was roasting his wife. Renee, Damien's associate. I help clean his messes.
Nice to meet you.
Did I do something wrong? With Damien? Probably. Bad first impressions are his specialty. You'll get along.
That doesn't seem to be much of a priority for him.
You're pretty. He's a man. Trust me, it will become a priority.
She's different. There's no fear, no resentment, no agenda. It's not one I can see. I want to know who she really is. I see she's growing on you. Come on. Can't you, my darling? You monster! You tried to kill me!
No, it was an accident.
Murderer! You tried to kill me!
Stay away from me! Mr. Crawford, what are you doing in here?
Why are you sleeping on the floor?
Bed's too soft. I'm more used to the floor.
In your old house, you slept on the floor?
Damien?
From now on, you sleep on the bed.
Why? Why do you care?
Because if you don't, I'm gonna tie you to it.
Are you? Yes. I'm watching. I'm watching po. Abon-abon. Hi, abon-abon. I'm watching.
Anna was bullied her whole life. Her mother left after she was born. Fred remarried, had a new family, left her behind. But Anna was always treated as a burden, never truly part of the family. And there was an incident, a serious one. with her stepbrother Eric. He claimed that she tried to seduce him, and when he rejected her, she harmed him out of jealousy.
What did Anna say?
She accused him of assault. Said he tried to touch her. But no one would believe her. Not her family, not the school, not even her father, Fred.
I know. And he did nothing. She had to live in the same room as that bastard.
The family claimed she was unstable, delusional, and was completely alone.
Unbelievable. Her own father let this happen. Anna? Anna,
Don't follow me.
don't run from me.
How could I not? What was that in there? Some kind of background check? You want to confirm exactly how pathetic I am?
I want the truth.
For what? So you can feel sorry for me?
So I can understand
You don't get to understand me. Not after you told me that this is just a contract and that I meant nothing to you.
Anna. Look at me.
I'm so used to people like you. Curious and then disgusted. Men who think they're doing me a favor by asking questions they don't want to know the answers to.
I'm not like them.
So let go of me.
Look, I've made choices that I'm not proud of. I built an empire with blood on my hands. I've made deals that I would sooner forget. But I know that there is a line between what is right and what is wrong. As long as you are under this roof, no one is ever going to hurt you again. You're not alone anymore. It's not just a promise. That is my duty as your husband.
You mean that?
Through hardship, scandal, war, yes, I'll stand by you.
But doesn't change the rules, right? Contract.
Ang ganda.
Magbayad para manood ng mga short series,
Speaking.
i-download ang free Reels.
No
Kung
screaming.
enjoy mo ang live o pagka-stop, huwag i-download ang free Reels.
Yes.
Pilit na mag-subscribe,
Hi,
huwag
Sir
i-download ang
David.
free Reels. Ang free Reels ay libre para i-download. Walang
Okay.
anumang mga pakana o pandaraya. Hindi mo kailangang mag-subscribe.
Right. Our wedding tomorrow is just... Gets you messed.
Big day, Damien. It is. You know, you may be adopted, but you've always reminded me of myself.
Dad, I'm really hoping this wedding can boost this family's image. Restore some faith.
You have a strong sense of right and wrong, son. That's why I named you heir. Listen to me. I know what you've been trying to do. Clean up this family. Drag us out of this dark legacy. But I need you to be careful. There are people who wish to see you fail.
But you always have my back, right?
I'm getting old, Damien. I can't protect you much longer. It's dangerous what you're trying to do. This marriage can be your shield.
Dad, come on. Don't talk like you're already gone.
Thank you, 42
Damien,
likes.
just promise me. You'll give this marriage a chance. I know you'll find happiness with this girl. Together.
Maybe we will.
Anna Winters, do you take this man, Damien Crawford, to be your lawfully wedded husband, and promise to protect, love, and cherish him till death do you part?
I do.
I now pronounce you husband and wife.
the family. Mrs. Crawford. Anna, how are you settling in?
I couldn't be more grateful, Mr. Crawford. Everything is so much more than I imagined.
Quite the upgrade for you, I imagine. The adopted and the discarded. What a pair.
Ellen,
Forgive me. I need a drink.
Ignore her. She's tired.
Simon's second wife. She hates everyone, especially me.
Ah, congratulations. You must be Anna. So stunning.
Thank you.
Kyle? Didn't know you were invited.
Come on. Dad may have named you heir, but I'm his actual son.
Yeah, I can't imagine how that happened. Genetics is so cool.
Still sharp as ever, Dame. If you ever want a taste of the real deal, just know I'm available.
Wait lang.